Hello everyone, I'm here again to solve another assignment Excel chapter 2 simulation training. Sorry, this is not an assignment, this is training. So let's get started with Excel chapter 2 simulation training. It will take a second, like it's going to be launched soon. We have to click on that button. We will maximize the screen to start this. So this is the first step of this training. Like in cell F8 we have to create a formula to divide the value in cell E8 by cell B5 using relative cell references. So we have to go to the cell F8, like this is F7, this is cell, we will put equal sign and we will divide the value in cell E8, divide sign by cell B5 by using relative cell references. So we have to make this absolute reference, but we will do it in another step. Let's do this time. So we have to copy this. It is saying copy the formula in cell F8 to the range. Just double click here, it will be solved. So it is giving error, like this is the division error, this is another, and something like that. It is saying that look at cell F9 and then undo the action of copying the formula since it erroneously uses a relative cell reference. So we will undo it from here, like we will hit on that button, or you can also do Ctrl plus Z. Here we go. So we have to edit the rate per period in cell F8. We have to edit this formula by making cell B5 an absolute reference. This is cell B5 and we have to make it absolute reference. For that you have to press F4 key. This is the simplest shortcut key to make it absolute reference. If this key is not working, then just put the dollar sign before and after the B. We will then hit the enter button. There we go. And we have to copy the formula to for the same like we did in the last step. This is the way. There we go, our question is completed. Next step is like enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the PMT period for the first loan by multiplying the year by the payments per year using a mixed cell references for the cell containing the PMTs per year. Like this is the simple formula, like the instructor has given you the formula. Just put this formula in the cell H8. Where is cell H8? We have to look for it. Here we go. Here is the cell H8 and just put that formula here. Oh sorry, we have to just H8 multiply by B5. Just hit the enter button after typing this formula. There we go. It is saying that copy the formula in cell H8 down to the range H8 to H9. Just click here and double click here. There we go. It will be copied to the range it is required. Like in this step, use the auto sum feature to enter in cell B16. So we have to simply put this formula. Just copy paste it and put it in the range like B16. In the cell B16. Here we go, here is the B16 and we have to put an equal sign and we have to put this formula and hit the enter button. There we go. Sorry, it's not working. We have to use auto sum feature. Here is auto sum feature. Like we have to put the formula and it is saying that B8 to B12. We have to edit this formula and then hit the enter button. There we go. This question is also completed, so it's moving on to question number 5. Use auto sum arrow on the formulas tab to enter average in cell P16. So in this step we simply need to do like you have to copy paste formula. Like this is the formula we have copy pasted. We will come here, then write this formula and then put average. Instead of sum we have to put average formula. Here we go, and then just, oh sorry, here we go, we have to make it average, then hit the enter button. There we go, this question is completed. Use the insert function command to the left of the formula bar to search for the median function. Use the function argument dialog box to select the range B8. We have to use this range. We have to use this range, like to enter median. Here is the range. Here we go. This is the range, and we have to put this formula. We have to put this formula, put this function in cell B8. We have to look for B8. Where is cell B8? Sorry, not cell B8, it's B18. We have to look for B18. Here we go, here's B18. We have to put this formula and just, oh, it's not working. Median, and we have to select the range B8. You can simply type that. You can simply type that, you will get the results this way. This question is completed. Now moving on to question number 7. It is saying that use the auto sum arrow on the formulas tab to enter in cell B19. B19 we have to put the function minimum. This is called minimum, to find the minimum value in the range. Like we have to find the minimum value in the range between B8 and B12. So we will put min function, like here we go, here it is, and we have to enter our range this way. There we go. This question is completed. So use the auto sum arrow on the formulas tab to enter. So in B20 we have to put, in the last step we find out the minimum value in the range between B8 and B12. In this formula, in this step in cell B20 we will enter function to find the maximum value between B8 and B12. So we will put the max function. Here we go, it's B8 and B12, close the brackets. Here we go, in cell B21. In this step in cell B21 we have to enter the formula to count the count function, and just to count the values between B8 and B12. So we will enter count function. Here we go, here's the count function, B8 and B12. Here we go, we have to close the brackets and then hit enter button. Type this value in cell B9. In this step it is saying that we have to go to cell B9. Here we go, here is B9, and we have to enter 42.5. So there we go, and hit the enter button. This step is completed. This question is completed. Now it's moving on to question number 8. For question number 8, we have to insert a lookup function in cell G9 on the payment info to calculate the APR. So we have the function is already written, so we have to just copy paste this and put in cell G9. Where's G9? We have to look for it. Here we go, here's cell G9. we have to just simply put that formula. There we go. Hit the enter button. It's saying you have to copy paste this. Just double click here. It will be copied to the range G10 to G13. This question is also completed. Now moving on to question number 9. And in question number 9 we have to insert a financial function. I will show you there are different kinds of function, like we will look for it. Like there are some are statistical, some are logical. There we go. Here we have a financial function that Excel has given us. There are a lot of these. There are logical, there are text function, there are date and time, look at, and many more. Like Excel is like an ocean. It will never end. It is upgrading day by day. So we have to put in cell H9 the function of PMT. Here we go. We have to just copy paste this function. Just put it here. Just copy paste it. Copy it and paste it here. There we go. And hit the enter button. There we go. In this way. And then copy that function to the range H10 to H13. So we are on the last question of this simulation training. If you need help with this training or any other assignment related to the Excel, Word, SS, PowerPoint, assignment, exam, training, anything, if you need help with anything of this course or of accounting, mathematics, statistics, or any course, if you need help, just hit me on WhatsApp or email. I will respond as soon as possible, and we will make a good deal. I will help you throughout your semester in managing your courses and classes. So this is the last step of this training, and in this step it is saying that we have to put if function in cell I9 to determine if percent down is greater than or equal to 20% down payment. If true, PMI is 0. If false, PMI is calculated by multiplying the amount financed by PMI rate divided by the payment per year. Function should be. There we go. This is as simple as the previous ones. Like we have to simply just copy paste this formula and paste it here. Here we go. Just hit the enter button and then copy that. Double click and it will be copied. So this assignment is going to be submitted and it will be the end of simulation training Excel chapter 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and refer me to your friends and classmates. Thank you so much. Here we go. You can check the scores. Like it's 100%.